It's a new mall, guys. A new mall. Second time coming here. Yeah, new mall. Second time. Let's go, guys. Second time. Tayo yung magsha-shopping. Magsha-shopping kuno. Magsha-shopping kuno. Last time pumunta ako, wala pa escalator. Ayun, may escalator na siya. Nako-connect na po dito sa ano, sa highway. Look. Yung highway natin, oh, 'di ba? Underground. Ayan, this is the other side, the highway. Look at the view. Let's go. Ating bridge, hanging bridge. Noon bagong open, guys, nandito ako. Yep. Let's go walking. Mahaba to, guys. Mahabang itong tulay. Almost there, guys. Here you go. My music, guys. My music. There's the other side. Uniqlo, Coach. Ayan ang Coach sa baba. Oh, mamaya punta tayo sa Louis Vuitton, guys. Sa Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Look at this. They're giving away the car. Wow, sana all. Ang car. Wow, dalawa. Oh my God, it's electric. It's electric. Look at that there. We're going that store, guys. There. Daming tao. Let's go that store. Mekos ang ano po dyan, branded na shoes. Ano pa lang ito, guys? Few months pa lang ito. 3 months pa lang itong mall na ito, guys. They open na September. Yeah, September 6. They open this mall, new one. The My Closer and the neighborhood na ano, shopping mall. Is like ano to, antique, not antique. It's mamahalin. Nandito Louis Vuitton. Guys, nandito Louis Vuitton. Look at the car. Look at this car. Hindi makitang tao sa loob. Oh. Oh my. Oh, look at this. Walang plate numbers. So cool. So cool. This one is Tesla. Popular. Ang daming meron dito ngayon ganyan, guys. Tesla. It's electric. You can drive by yourself. Kahit hindi mo hawak ang ano, manubela. Dadali ka saan mo ang gusto. Address. Or Tesla. Ayan, Tesla. T. Alright, this is a new one. Oh, ang daming mga ganyan, guys. Uy, nako. Gusto nyo? Di ba hindi? Gusto nyo? Oh, pamain dyan, mine. Oh, ganda. Oh, look at this. Let's go to the store. Uggs, guys. Ugg. We're gonna get one here, Ugg. Size 10, guys. Ito size 10. Yung nauna size 9. Masikip kasi gawa ng have a warmer inside. This one. Papasikip. Michael Kors. Ayan, no, Michael Kors. Naligaw na tayo, guys. Wala na yung Louis Vuitton. We go toilet, guys. Look at that toilet. Very nice. We got the boots. There we go. Look at this. Laki toilet, oh guys. Ang ganda yung toilet, guys. First time ko pumasok. Sa toilet. Ang ganda, parang bahay. Taas ng bubong. Louis Vuitton. Ayan na, Louis Vuitton. Hello, Gucci. Hindi natin kaya dito, guys. Louis Vuitton. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Canada Goose. Labas tayo dito, guys. Mainit na sa loob. Pusil. Pusil ba? Canada Goose. Mainit na sa loob. Naka-jacket tayo kasi. Pwede na. Oh. Pag-skatingan yan, guys. Nabakuran. Ice skating pagka-winter. Oh, ayos ah. Ayos ang ginawa. Noong first time ako pumunta dyan, guys, damuhan pa lang yan. Damuhan. Ngayon, talaga set up na. Ayan. Oh. Oh, look at that. Diba? Ang ganda siguro dito pagka gabi. Restaurant po yan, mga sanay sa labas. Bye-bye. I'm going home. Bye-bye po, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, bye-bye parking.